Welcome to the brand new 2022 Chevrolet Colorado ZR2. The ZR2 is powered by a 3.6-liter V6 engine emitted up to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the Colorado ZR2, power windows, locks and mirrors, automatic headlights, 4-wheel drive, integrated to the braking system, a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control and audio controls, keyed ignition. We do have a nice large 8-inch touchscreen with navigation, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We do have single zone climate control, heated seats, the good stuff for the ZR2, electronic locking differentials front and rear, trailer mode, the automatic shifter knob, wireless charging pad, all black interior. This ZR2 does have the Bose audio and our leather heated ZR2 seats up front. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Colorado ZR2, we do have the 17-inch wheel and tire package exclusively for the Colorado ZR2. Goodyear, Wrangler, Duratrac all-terrain tires, Multimatic DSSV suspension system. We have color-matched door handles, Colorado badging, color-matched mirror caps coming to the front. The Colorado is equipped with that DSSV suspension lift kit from the factory as well. Bumper cuts making the aggressive front end. We have the ZR2 front grille with a flow tie, red recovery hooks. We have skid plates underneath the front bumper and front suspension components. Making our way back down the side. Crew cab, rear tinted privacy windows, remote start equipped for the Sand Dune ZR2 at the back. Our bumper as well cut, no step-ups on there for the better departure angles. You do have a trailer tow pack as well as your branded tailgate with a backup camera. Taking a quick look at the interior, we have the leather 60/40 split. Both end seats are car seat ready as well. We have a sliding rear window with defrost, extra headroom over top with dome lighting, dual USB ports, and rubberized floor liners installed. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2022 Chevrolet Colorado. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.